Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my friends? Hope you all are doing good. Eid is just right here. Due to lockdown in Melbourne, we couldn't go out to get things to decorate our house. So I decided to make some at home with whatever was available. At the same time, I also thought, why not share them with you? I know it is in the very last minute, but these are perfect for last minute decoration ideas. So without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, I'm making an Eid Mubarak banner. For that, I'm cutting some arched window shapes, which I made myself or can be easily printed out from Google Images. Now, this is going to be my stencil with which I will cut out different colored papers. If you don't have colored papers, you can easily use white A4 sheet papers and color them or make patterns on them with paint, colors, or crayons and use them instead of craft paper. Next, I am sticking it onto a contrasting colored paper to give it a border as well as to add thickness to the paper. Next, I wrote letters on them with pencil and later colored it with black pen. You can also paste printed out letters onto them. When all the letters were ready, I used a needle and thread to make the banner as I didn't have any other string. There you go, the banner is ready. That is a very easy banner to make. Next, I'm making some paper fan flowers. There are different methods to make them, but I'm showing you the easiest. For this also, I have taken colored papers that I'm folding about 1 centimeter on the same side as shown. I'm doing this to get uniform folds. After that, I'm folding them in opposite direction to make a fan like how we used to make when we were small. Then folding it in the middle and sticking it with glue. I made 3 of them using 3 same sized papers and stuck all of them as you can see. And if needed, you can stick any cutout shape of paper in the middle of it. And that's it. It's very easy to make. But we will have to make many of them in different sizes and colors in order to create a cluster of beautiful paper fan flowers. Next, I'm making a wall hanging, which is again very easy to make and can be made with easily available things at home. For that, again, I'm using colored papers and have traced different shapes on them of different sizes. I have made circles, stars, and half moon shapes. You could use shapes of your choice. Now, instead of craft papers, you can also use aluminium foil or magazines or gift wrappers. Or if nothing is available at home, you can also color white paper and use them. Next, I am sticking them onto a thread that I had. Now, if you have thicker strings, then you can use them. The number of strings used as well as the cutouts used depends on one's choice. I have used 3 pieces of threads and onto each of them I have stuck 6 cutouts with tape. Again, as I didn't have cello tape, I have used whatever was available at home. Finally, I hung the threads onto a skewer after cutting its sharp end. And there you go, an easy Eid decoration is ready. You can beautify this more using your creativity skills and materials available, as mine is very simple and basic. Next, I'm making a canvas with Eid Mubarak written on it. For that, onto a canvas, I have applied drops of different shades of blue and purple and dabbing them with a bunch of cotton buds that I tied together with a rubber band. I'm doing this only to get a textured background, but if you are in the last minute, then you can paint the whole thing with a paintbrush. If you don't have a canvas, you can use cardboard and stick 2 sheets of white paper on it. This is not going to be that effective, but at least something is better than nothing. After it was done, I left it to dry and then started writing Eid Mubarak on it with pencil before using paint. Again, if you don't feel like writing, you can stick printouts taken from internet. Then I used golden colored paint and painted Eid Mubarak. There is no need to worry in case of mistakes. All we have to do is rub it off with a cloth and dab over it with dark blue paint. Finally, I also painted a moon and some stars. So there you are. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope this becomes useful to you.